Chemical properties of 13 group are boron family. In previous lecture, we explained electronic configuration of 13 group, oxidation number, inert pair effect, ionization enthalpy, decrease from boron to thallium, electronegativity, electropositive and metallic character. Now start chemical behavior or chemical properties of boron family. Boron atomic number is 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 1 electrons jump from 2s2 back in p orbital. Total electrons unpair here 3. Then oxidation number is plus 3. And due to sp2 hybridization, boron form is a various compound with halogen as boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, boron tribromide and boron triiodide, and also Bs3 boron. The nature of boron compound is basically covalent in a nature because required energy for ejection of 3 electrons from respected outer shell of boron is amount very large. The amount of electrons ejected from boron, the sum of value, first 801, second is 2427 and third is 3659. The sum of first, second and third ionization enthalpy is a higher value than boron generally form is a covalent compound. When the boron is formed covalent compound, the total number of bond here 3. Then octet not complete boron trichloride. In boron, the outer shell have only 6 electrons in total covalent bond 2, 4 and 6. It required is a 2 electrons. Then it behave as a Lewis acid and it bonded with Lewis base with with coordinate bond. In case of ammonia, nitrogen content is one lone pair of electrons. Then it behave as a Lewis base. And boron in VCl3 octet not completed, it required is a 2 electrons. Then nitrogen of ammonia donate of 1 electrons pair and bonded with VCl3 by coordinate bond. Then octet is a completed. That is the cause of reactivity of boron and their compound. But in case of aluminium, aluminium is also from covalent compound AlCl3. In case of AlCl3 is covalent in nature. But when AlCl3 dissolve in a water, aluminium change into aluminium trivalent ions. Aluminium to aluminium trivalent ions and loss of 3 electrons. It means the required of sum of first, second, third ionization enthalpy is less than to hydration enthalpy of aluminium trivalent. It means the release hydration enthalpy is sufficient for release of the 3 electrons from aluminium outer shell, and aluminium chloride change into ionic compound, and aluminium chloride AlCl3 bonded with 6 molecules of water and form is a compound AlH2O whole 6 trivalent and 3 chloride ions. Gallium, indium is from two type compound. One is a plus 1 oxidation number, second is a plus 3 oxidation number. Due to inert pair effect, thallium is from stable plus 1 oxidation number compound, that is called thallus compound. Example, thallus chloride and thallus hydroxide. Gallium and indium is from two type compound, gallus and gallic compound. Gallus chloride GaCl is a disproportional reactions in aqueous media. When gallus chloride dissolve in aqueous media, it change into gallic chloride. In gallic chloride, gallium is a trivalent, and in gallus chloride, gallium is a monovalent. It means one species oxidize more valency and reduce in a less valency. In gallus, gallium is a monovalent. It oxidizes in a gallic trivalent ions, and also gallium monovalent accept the one electron and change into neutral gallium atom. This reaction is called disproportional reactions. Gallium and indium compound which have plus 1 oxidation number show disproportional reactions in a aqueous medium. It means in aqueous medium, gallium trivalent or indium trivalent compound more stable, but thallium monovalent compound more stable due to inert pair effect. Reactivity toward air. Crystalline boron is least reactive, but amorphous boron react with oxygen and oxidize in boron oxide. For balance, 4B and 3O2. Boron is also combined or react with nitrogen and form is a boron nitride. Aluminium is also oxidized in air and form is a oxide layer on their surface. It further aluminium react with oxygen and form is a aluminium oxide, and aluminium oxide layer coated of whole aluminium, then reactivity of aluminium is a decrease. For balance, 3O2 and 4Al. Boron oxide is a acidic in a nature, but aluminium gallium oxide amphoteric in a nature, and indium thallium oxide basic in a nature. It means the basicity of oxide increase from up to bottom in a group. Basic nature is a increase up to bottom. Reactivity toward hydrogen. Hydrogen is a small atom and boron is also a small atom. The boron is formed varies hydride with hydrogen, that is called boron. The series is a two type, Vn Hn plus 4, and second series is a Vn Hn plus 6. Example, V2S6, V5H11. And compound of boron covalent in a nature. Simple compound is a VH3. The octet of boron in VH3 not is a completed, only 6 electron. Then it we have as a Lewis acid. Aluminium is formed polymer of aluminium hydride, AlH3 का whole end. Then reactivity with hydrogen after aluminium is a decrease because size of gallium, indium, thallium much more compared to hydrogen. Then stability of hydride boron to thallium is a decrease. Boron to thallium, stability of hydride is decrease. क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि साइज क्या होती है, इंक्रीज होती जाती है, हाइड्रोजन क्या है, स्मॉल साइज है। Reactivity toward of water, boron not react with water. Aluminium is also not react with water. बोरॉन और एल्यूमिनियम दोनों रिएक्शंस नहीं करते वाटर से, बट एल्यूमिनियम with amalgam form react with water and form is a hydroxide. And release of hydrogen gas. Gallium and indium is also not react with water, but thallium reactivity is much more compared to gallium and indium. यानी केवल एल्युमिनियम का अमलगम फॉर्म वाटर से रिएक्ट करके हाइड्रोजन गैस को रिलीज करता है, गैलियम इंडियम भी वाटर से रिएक्ट नहीं करते, थैलियम की थोड़ी सी रिएक्टिविटी होती है विथ वाटर। नेक्स्ट, रिएक्टिविटी विथ हैलोजन। द ऑल कंपाउंड रिएक्ट विथ halogen and form is a various type halide. Example: boron fluoride, boron chloride, boron bromide, and boron iodide. The compound nature of boron is a covalent in a nature, and aluminium is also formed is a aluminium chloride. Al2Cl6 is a dimer of aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride is a covalent compound. Gallium, indium is also formed +3 oxidation number halide, but thallium is formed stable thallus chloride. Reactivity with acid or base. Generally, boron does not react with acid, but boron react with strong oxidizing agent HNO3 in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 and form is a orthoboric acid. Generally does not react with the acid, but boron react with strong oxidizing agent nitric in the presence of the concentrate H2SO4, and also boron react with sodium carbonate and in the presence of sodium nitrate. The compound is sodium borate plus sodium nitride and also carbon dioxide. Boron is also react with NOH and form is a compound Na3PO3 sodium metaborate plus 3H2. It means the boron is oxidized by the concentrated HNO3 nitric acid. It react with the flux sodium carbonate and sodium nitrate and also react with the sodium hydroxide and form is a sodium borate Na3BO3. Next is the aluminium. Aluminium react with acid and form is a aluminium chloride. And also aluminium react with base and form is a 2Na AlOH whole 4 plus hydrogen. The name of this compound is a sodium tetrahydroxo aluminate third complex compound. Sodium tetrahydroxo aluminate third complex compound and release gas is a hydrogen. Gallium is also react with acid and base, similar reactions. And indium and thallium does not react with base, it only react with acid. Because indium thallium oxide is a basic in a nature. Gallium also react with the sodium hydroxide aqueous media and form the sodium. The reactions of gallium is also right here. 2 gallium sodium hydroxide plus 6 molecules of water and compound is 2 Na 2 Na and 2 NaGaOH whole 4 plus 3H2. The name of this compound sodium tetrahydroxogallate third complex compound. Sodium tetrahydroxogallate third complex compound. It means the reactivity of boron with nitric acid and also sodium hydroxide, aluminium and gallium react with acid and also base, but indium and thallium not react with base, only react with acid. Next is a compound of boron family hydride. Boron is from two type series compound VnHn plus 4 and VnHn plus 6. The popular compound of hydride is diboron B2S6 is called diboron. In B2S6, boron is in form of BS3 and octet not complete. It carries a 6 electron and hydrogen is a sp2. Then boron BHH and this is the second boron molecules BS3. This is the electron pair between the boron and hydrogen. This electron pair transfer from another boron and this electron pair transfer of another boron. It means one electrons pair and 3 atom is a bonded. देखो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर जो इस बोरोन हाइड्रोजन के बीच में था, आवश्यकता पड़ने पर इस बोरोन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच में चला जाएगा तो 2 4 6 2 8 हो जाएगा. इसका काउंट करते हैं 2 4 6 हो गया. ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है ये यहां से शिफ्ट होके कहां चला जाएगा जब इसको आवश्यकता होगी तो कितना हो जाएगा 2 4 6 2 8 एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड बनाना बॉन्ड. This is called banana bond and octet of boron is completed. Then BS3 exists in the form of B2S6 and type of hybridization in diboron is sp3 sp22 sp3 उसमें sp2 था तो इसमें कौन सा हो जाएगा sp3. Boron atomic number 5 1s2 2s1 2p1. Then type of hydrogen is a sp2 and this is the molecules triangular triangular or trigonal. BS3 molecules. Second is a B2H6 This is called banana bond or bridge H. 2 electron and 3 center. H, H and H. 2 electrons, 3 center bond are banana bond. And octet is a complete 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Halide. Atomic number of boron is 5. 1s2, 2s1, p1, py1. And type of hydrogen is sp2. And one orbital always vacant. This is called unhybrid orbital. This is called unhybrid orbital. In this case, molecules is boron trifluoride. Type of hydrogen in boron trifluoride, boron in sp2 hybrid state. This is the bonding between boron and fluorine. Boron in sp2 hybrid orbital and same time it have one vacant p orbital. In boron fluoride, boron contain only 6 electron, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. This is the electrons of halogen. Then octet not completed. And same time every fluorine contain is a 3 lone pair of electron. Fluorine atomic number is 9. Here 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. It means the boron have outer shell is second. Fluorine is also have the outer shell second. The size almost is similar. Then vacant p orbital of boron accept lone pair of electrons from the boron. This is called back bonding. This is called back bonding. When fluorine donate the one lone pair of electrons of vacant orbital of boron, then octet is a completed. Then Lewis acidic character of boron fluoride is a decrease. It means we have 3 least acidic in a nature because due to back bonding fluorine donate electrons pair, then octet of boron is a completed. Then boron fluoride is a least acidic in a nature, boron, fluoride, chloride, bromide and this is the iodide. Then base acidic nature from fluorine to iodine is increase because size of halogen is increase, acidic character increase. क्लियर हुआ ना कि VF3 लीस्ट एसिडिक नेचर का होता है क्योंकि फ्लोरीन बैक बॉन्डिंग से उसके ऑक्टेट को कंप्लीट कर देता है. नेक्स्ट इज बोरॉन, एल्युमिनियम, गैलियम, इंडियम एंड थैलियम. Lewis acidic nature decrease due to size of the boron family is increase. Definitely बोरोन का आउटर सेल सेकंड है, एल्युमिनियम का थर्ड है, गैलियम का फोर्थ है, इंडियम का फिफ्थ है, थैलियम का सिक्स है. तो आउटर सेल इंक्रीज डिस्टेंस बढ़ती जाएगी तो वो उसका जो बोरोन का न्यूक्लियस है वो स्ट्रांगली अट्रैक्ट कर लेगा इनकमिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को थैलियम की अपेक्षा, क्योंकि थैलियम की साइज बहुत ज्यादा होती है। नेक्स्ट इज द एल्युमिनियम। एल्युमिनियम 13 Kl outer shell, one electron jump from 3s to 3p, then 3s1, 3p2, and type of hydrogen here is also sp2, and this is called unhybrid orbit. It means aluminum have one orbital is unhybrid. Then it behave is also Lewis acid. Next is aluminum content is a one unhybrid orbital and behave as a Lewis acid. What AlCl3 is also covalent compound. What when AlCl3 dissolve in a water, the release hydration enthalpy sufficient for ejection of the electrons 3 from outer shell of aluminum and aluminum to aluminum trivalent ions, and aluminum halide ionic in a nature in aqueous media. Two ions is exist, hydrated aluminum ions and chloride ions. It means AlCl3 covalent compound what dissolve in a water, it change into covalent to ionic compound. Structures of AlCl3. This is aluminum, first Cl, second Cl and third Cl. Second molecules of aluminum chloride, first Cl, second Cl and third Cl. The octet of aluminum not completed. The one chlorine atom of first aluminum chloride donate one electron pair of second aluminum of AlCl3 molecules and bonded by the coordinate bond. The chlorine of second aluminum chloride molecules donate one electron pair of aluminum of first AlCl3 and bonded by the coordinate bond. Then aluminum chloride exists in the form of Al2Cl6. This is called dimer form of AlCl3. It also exists in the vapor phase Al2Cl6 form. And octet of aluminum is a completed 6 plus 2 electrons. Octet is a completed 6 electrons plus 2 electrons equal to 8 electrons. Next is the oxide. Boron is from oxide V2O3. The boron oxide V2O3 is acidic in a nature. It react with NaOH and form is a sodium metaborate NaVO2 plus H2O. Aluminum oxide is amphoteric in a nature, then it also react with the sodium hydroxide and form sodium meta-aluminate 2NaAl2 plus H2O. Boron aluminum. Gallium is also amphoteric in a nature and form is a sodium meta-gallate. And indium, thallium is react with only acid. It means boron oxide, boric oxide only react with the base. Aluminum and gallium amphoteric in nature, it also react with the base. And also Aluminium oxide react with acid HCl and form is a aluminium chloride plus 3H2, and also gallium react with acid and form is a gallium chloride and 3 molecules of water, because aluminium and gallium oxide is amphoteric in nature, but allium and thallium only react with acid. Next is the hydroxide, boron hydroxide BOH whole 3 only react with base. This is called orthoboric acid. Why it is acidic? I explain in next. It react with the base sodium hydroxide and form is a sodium metaborate plus 2 molecules of water. Why the H3BO3 is called orthoboric acid? BOS का होल 3 इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, देखिए यहाँ पर H3BO3 R BOH का होल 3. Orthoboric acid is a non-protic acid. Why? Because water react with BOH3 in boron orthoboric acid. Boron octet not completed, only 6 electrons in their respective outer shell is required in a electrons pair. Then it accept one hydroxide ions and change into BOH whole 4 1 negative, and water release is H ions. It means orthoboric acid, non-protic acid, when it dissolve in a water, it accept hydroxide ions from water and change into BOH whole 4 1 negative charge, and water release of hydrogen ions. It means orthoboric acid is a non-protic acid. Second is aluminium react with and form is NaAlO2 plus 2H2 sodium meta-aluminate, and aluminium hydroxide is also react with acid because amphoteric in nature, and form is AlCl3 plus 3H2. Gallium hydroxide is also react with the acid and form is a gallium chloride and water molecules. Gallium hydroxide is also react with the sodium hydroxide because it is amphoteric in nature and form is a NaGaO2 plus 2H2. But indium and thallium hydroxide only react with acid because they are basic in nature. Anomalous properties of boron. The boron is a first member of the 13 group or boron family. It shows some anomalous behavior with rest member of this family because the following cause responsible why the boron show anomalous behavior with rest element of the 13 group. First is a small size of atom or ion. Number 2, higher electronegativity. Number 3, higher ionization enthalpy. Number 4, absence of d orbital. The following causes are responsible why the boron show anomalous behavior with the rest member of this family. तो वो anomalous behavior कौन कौन से? नंबर 1, boron is a hard non metallic element. What are other? Soft and metallic nature. Number 2, boron oxide acidic in a nature, aluminium and gallium oxide amphoteric, indium and thallium basic in a nature. Number 3, boron compound purely covalent in a nature. Other compound is a ionic. Number next, boron halide covalent and aluminum fluoride is a ionic in a nature. Number next, melting point and boiling point of boron है, जबकि एल्युमिनियम गैलियम इंडियम के कैसे होते हैं? थोड़ा सा लो होते हैं. बोरॉन हार्ड नॉन मेटालिक एलिमेंट, अदर इज अ मेटालिक नेचर. बोरॉन ऑक्साइड एसिडिक, एल्युमिनियम गैलियम ऑक्साइड इज एम्फोटेरिक, इंडियम थैलियम इज बेसिक, एंड आल्सो हाइड्रोक्साइड इज ऑर्थोबोरिक एसिड इज एसिडिक इन नेचर, है ना. बोरॉन कंपाउंड कोवेलेंट, एल्युमिनियम कंपाउंड इज आयनिक. हैलाइड ऑफ बोरॉन कोवेलेंट, प्योरली कोवेलेंट नेचर, बट एल्युमिनियम फ्लोराइड इज आयनिक नेचर. ठीक है ना. तो एल्युमिनियम कुछ कंपाउंड ऐसे होते हैं कोवेलेंट भी होते हैं. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट बोरॉन इज हायर. इसमें और ही हो जाएगा ना, बोरिक एसिड BOS3 एसिडिक, what aluminium and gallium hydroxide is a amphoteric in a nature. This is the anomalous behavior of the boron with rest member of the family. Thank you very much.